Hello, everyone. I am Dancy from It is now October 28th, 2024 Beijing time. Today, we would like to share with you this 3051S pressure transmission from ROSEMOUNT 3051S coplanar pressure transmission. It's designed using coplanar technology. It is the preferred solution for pressure flow level measurement. The port expansion platform uses wired and wireless communication protocols, can be combined with seamless integration of primary components and sealing solutions, optimize performance. In order to adjust the differential pressure, gauge, and absolute pressure are measured through the SuperWave platform. The transmission is resistant to overpressure and line pressure. Therefore, excellent performance is maintained. Now, let me show you this product name brand. You can take a look. So let me show you the water tank, some of the components, product bracket, and matching installation screws. And the product manual. Okay, that's the end of today's sharing. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.